EVA trades.
Hey, happy Thursday. It is time to go trade. So let's go look at some charts and we'll see what we got this morning. It's not looking too good. Good morning. Welcome to EVA Trades. Thanks for joining me today. This is the live stream, the live show. It's Thursday, the 16th of February, and the market is dropping today. We'll take a look at that first. There was some news that came out right around 5:30 and things started to fall and been dropping ever since. So we're down here. Hourly oversold, so may see a bounce at some point today, I would think, but only looking for a 4-hour lower high on any kind of bounce because we pulled back here so far. So to me, that's the most likely scenario. All right, so take a look here first at the progress. I am up halfway in the account, $250. This is my P&L curve. Each candle here represents 1 day of price action for me. And this is the road to $1 million. My daily goal is 20 bucks a day. I'm in phase 1 right now. This guy needs to get to $500. So I'm halfway there, and it's projected that I'll get there by March 17th, 2023. Of course, that changes each day as I have wins or losses. My game book rules: I'm done if I hit my max loss of $40. I'm done if I give back half after hitting my goal. And I try not to take more than 4 positions to start the day. I've been pretty good at that one. This one's been a little tricky. I won't take more positions than my max loss allows. Sometimes I find myself doing just that. All right, so the only stock so far that looks pretty good is INZY. And we're breaking 319 right now. I didn't trade this one this morning. I traded AM. Yeah, that's this one here. But I only made a little bit. I traded it back here as it was breaking out. Sold it real quick and then it failed. Right at about that 530 mark. So INZY, we broke out over this daily level. So we have a 5-minute uptrend now. I guess we have had all morning with higher lows. So nothing wrong with that. Let's see what we do right out the gate. Plenty of room on the daily on this one. Looking at the larger time frame, we have a daily level up at $4. So plenty of room to go all crazy and stuff if we want to. AM is the second leading gapper this morning, up 18%. A little choppy, light on volume. So we want to see the volume come in first thing. But we have kind of a 5-minute, we have 5-minute higher lows. You know, we haven't formed a lower low. But what I'm looking for, I guess, on the 15-minute here would be, most likely scenario would be a lower high on the 15-minute and then a pullback and then, you know, equilibrium territory. It's an inside bar on the hourly. But we could break straight through the highs. That's possible. I see that happen a lot. And EBS is just here to fill that empty space. I'm not even going to look at it really. But if it happens to do something, or if I see something else to put there, I'll do that. So as we go along today, I'll call out stocks as I see them on the scanner, and we'll break them down if we can, and hopefully we'll find some good trades. Okay. Looks like we have about a minute till the market opens here. I'm going to pull up SPY over here on my other screen so I can keep an eye on what the market's doing. Continuing lower, well below yesterday's low now. Half a minute to go till the market opens, so good luck today. Could be a place to buy off of this previous resistance, now support right here. Bulls want to break out over 329. But anything above 310 is a higher low. I can't really trade that first 1 minute. I have in the past, but it's very tricky. If I try it, it let me get in there. Sometimes it won't. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. Small profits. I have my my stop loss is set at about half. I mean my risk is set at about half. So I'm up 587 there. I set my risk to half because the market's been really choppy to start the day lately. So I did that intentionally because I keep starting out in the red. So I wanted to start out smaller red, and then I'll increase my size as the day goes on. Oops. The market is starting to put in a bounce. I'm going to sell that, get out. Still green on the stock, but gave back most of what I made. Some volume coming in here on ANAM. There's the break, and I'm selling right there. That is incredibly strong. Selling it again. See if I can buy a dip on this. No, it's not going right away, so I'm getting back out. Yeah, getting back out over here. I wanted to see this bounce right away. I don't like that 5-minute candle with that long upper wick, so ANAM. I didn't expect this kind of a breakout. I'd like to buy a dip on it. It's right there at my limit order. It's also that daily resistance. So I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. Playing a little cat and mouse here. Yeah. Buying INZY off of that daily support. There we go. And let's go ahead and buy that again. This one's been a little difficult to make money on. It's kind of spready. Every time I'm up, I try to sell and I don't make a lot of profit on AM. So I'm going to buy it for the move up to $3. There we go. There we go. There we go. Tricky. So that was tricky. I'm sitting at my daily goal. Right there, 27.23. That was some tricky stuff. So in hindsight, the thing to do would have been to hold AM and add on the way up, selling up at $3. But who knew, right? Who knew it was going to go that high? And it may still have more to go as we come up to this daily level. And we are bouncing here off of this support, so holding INZY would have also been a good idea, but I am green on it. So these daily levels, let's take a look. The market is not bouncing. But here we are. EBS, that's EBS. So coming up here to that $3.10 level. And then after that, you have 454. I see on NZ here, we came up to that moving average, the 200 moving average, and we bounced off of it this morning and pulled back. But on AM, we broke right through it. Pretty strong momentum. I'm going to widen out my stop loss as we come up to this daily level. Yeah, I don't know that I want to buy it there. Shoot, why not? And I'm getting back out. God, man, look at that momentum. That's insane. I'm buying for the breakthrough 50. I have a lot of buyers on the bid. Oh. Well, I think I bought in on a halt. That I did. This thing I think is going to open quite a bit higher. I saw so many buyers on the bid. All right, so we're halted at 639. So we'll look for resumption at 641. And INSI continuing to pull back. Let's see, the market's starting to bounce a little bit. Let's see SPY here with that 5-minute lower wick. Check the hourly time frame. Definitely oversold here. Down in the 26 area of the RSI is down to 26. I bet it got down even lower than that. So now we have other stocks bouncing with BBBY and PLTR. Had to cancel my limit order on AM, so I don't get stopped out for a loss. 639. Did I say 41? Resumption at 644. I think I said 641. No, let me get back out. So taking a loss there on PLTR. Makes me nervous when it drops below the support. All right, so I'll focus here on AM. Ah, SPY is pulling back. Okay, makes sense. I think if SPY had kept moving up, we would have seen further upside on this one. Now SPY is maybe going to bounce a little bit. Might be worth getting in here, but I'm not going to do it. Got halt resumption in 1 more minute. Well, I mean, I could try it. We'll see. Back to green on it. I'll take that. Okay, so I'm watching AM. I'm in right at the halt at 348, so I'm not expecting much. Any second. There we go. And I'm out. I'm out. Could buy the dip there too. But I'm not going to. I'm up $34. There we go. Nice resumption. That's what you like to see. So I was right buying off of this support. If I'd held it, I certainly would be up right now. More than I am. I want to buy a dip on AM, but I don't know. There's a correlation here between PLTR and SPY. When SPY pulls back pretty good, PLTR kind of holds. Drops maybe a little bit. Get back out. Okay. But when SPY starts to move up just a little bit, PLTR really takes off. So PLTR is definitely stronger than SPY. Oh, I've been on the wrong screen this whole time. So you missed the trade here. I got in AM. I think you might have seen I got in on this halt. It resumes higher up here, and I sell it right away. Okay, so I'm going to try PLTR again here, looking at the market. And I'm selling it there. Nice move. Yeah. All right. A lot of red volume here. I wonder if we bounce off of this daily support. I don't often play off the daily support levels. I started to there, I got into it, but then I got right back out. It's like, yeah, I don't know. SPY with a double top on the 1 minute time frame. What is INZY up to here? Let's put that daily level back there. We did play off that. See how we bounced off of it, held it, broke below. Now we're back testing. Nice break of this pivot right here. Wow. I had thought about jumping in that, but it was below the VWAP, and I was like, man, I don't know. So maybe we bounce from the VWAP. That's a $3 psychological. Maybe. SPY breaking that double top by a little bit. See if we bounce here. SPY getting rejected, pulling back again. Higher lows on the 1 minute. Tightening up. Nice bounce on AM there. Probably couldn't have made much on that. It's got a spread on it, so. Like when it starts to move, it really gets spready. SPY pulling back pretty good. You see PLTR, the pullback on PLTR is not that significant, but look at SPY. Look at the pullback on SPY. So when SPY pulls back, PLTR kind of goes sideways, maybe down a little bit. But then when SPY starts to turn around, PLTR finds strength. You see we're trading above the EMAs, above the VWAP, whereas SPY, we're below the VWAP and right on the EMAs. But they are correlated. They're moving together. A nice entry opportunity on PLTR right here. So we had a fake out on AMAM. You see that daily level, it doesn't mean a whole lot on this smaller time frame. Watching SPY. As long as SPY is bouncing, I'm going to hold this position. SPY is breaking through the VWAP. There it goes. Now SPY looking stronger. I'm going to go ahead and sell this. Just because SPY was looking a lot stronger there, so that correlation could be changing. That was a great big move on SPY, but PLTR was just not doing much. So I took the money, took the profit while I had it. And that puts me up over $41, so I'm at 2 times my daily goal. I'm going to stop right there. Let's go ahead and put that in over here. So today's date, the 16th. 41.22. Boom, another big day. 41.22. And let's see where that puts me for my road to $1 million. March 10th. It went from March 17th to March 10th. So that means I'm going to get there even closer. This guy really wants to get there. So March 10th. 3 weeks away. So in 3 weeks, I could very well be at the end of phase 1, moving on to phase 2 on this road to $1 million. It's a lot of fun. Take one more look at the charts here. SPY with that breakout, but couldn't hold. And but still higher lows. You see where each pullback is higher than the last. But I think it is a rising wedge. So you want to be careful of that. See that? Rising wedge. Bulls breaking previous highs, but no follow through. So the bears keep smacking the price back down. I like the hearts with the smiley faces and the hands. I don't know how to say your name. I think it's Ayank Boyank. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. I'm terrible with pronouncing names, but thanks for all the pretty pictures there. All right, one more look over here. Higher low and going for a higher high in this 1 minute time frame. So bulls trying to change this 1 minute downtrend back. Well, we already have a higher high, higher low. So bulls trying to do it here. Back up above that daily level. Inside bar in the 5 minute. Can the bulls get over 312 and confirm a trend change on this 1 minute time frame? on INZY. I would be half tempted to buy this if I wasn't already done. And I kind of want to watch it just for a second and see what it does. See, I didn't really like the red bar closing like this. It feels like it could pull back a little more. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I'm really surprised AM didn't get halted going down. SPY is breaking its rising wedge pattern bearish now. So for the first time, we have a lower low on this 1 minute time frame. But you can say that we are still just looking for a higher low on the 5 minutes. So we're in no danger of breaking the low of day yet. An inside, no, not quite an inside bar on the 15. What we really want to see is a trend change on the 5 minute. You want to see a higher low and a higher high. So far, we just have a lot of wicks and doji candles. But if you have a bear break here with not much follow through, look out. INZY did end up pulling back. So we have an equilibrium with a high, low, lower high, looking for a higher low. Could have bought down here around $3 and held this with your stop loss down here. I'm not going to. Kind of feels like on this one that if it does break out, it might not hold on INZY. I think if I was going to trade it, I would probably take my profits quick. We had a false breakout here. We had a false breakout here. Another false breakout here. But right now, this is a nice looking equilibrium. If I was in this trade, I would be putting my stop loss right below this candle. Maybe, I don't know, I might keep it down here for now. Then once, if you get the breakout, then I'd probably move my stop up. But I don't know, this is taking a long time to go, so higher red volume here. And SPY over here. Nice bounce attempts, but could not get back up above that line. You see how that line acted as a resistance now? And the bears want to break this support, and that is a trend change. That would be a lower high and a lower low. So here goes INZY, gonna give it a shot here. But it's not looking too promising in my opinion. We'll see. I think if I was in this, I might already be taking profit. Still got time. It could still happen. We do have some volume coming in, but it's turning red now. So is this going to be another false breakout so far? Bulls certainly don't want to see us break the low of that last candle, because that would not be a good look on this equilibrium. It's already starting to not look good. We're looking for a higher high on AM, and there goes that pullback on INZY. Still an inside bar. We haven't broke the low of that last 5-minute candle, but the equilibrium itself is choppy now. Not the kind of equilibrium you'd like to see. Over here on SPY, we did pull back here. We have a double bottom now. No, not a double bottom. Remember, we're looking for that higher low. We got to remember on the 1 minute, though, we pulled back enough. We could just form a lower high, and bears could get another lower low. So now we got to see a trend change on the 1 minute in order to know that the 5-minute higher low has been set. All right, back over here to INZY. Bulls buying the dip. Gonna try this again. It's choppy though. I'd be careful. Bottom line is we got to get over 312. Triple top right now. Shorts getting in up there. Not looking good. What a struggle between the bears and the bulls on INZY. SPY over here not helping much. Looking like a lower high, lower low is possible on the 1 minute time frame. Yep, there we go. So bulls not proving anything yet. All right, well, one more look at SPY. SPY is starting to bounce here. So like I said, we're looking for that higher low. Is this it? Is this our bounce? Will we change the 1 minute trend back to the bulls? And will we see a 5-minute higher low and higher high and start to bounce on the day? Or do we see further downside? I don't know, because the hourly time frame, it tells its own story. Oversold. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Tomorrow morning, as a matter of fact, on Friday. Have a good rest of your Thursday. Bye.